I'm Shailin, and in this video I'm going to make another circle skirt. This one's going to be a little bit easier than the last one because there are no pockets in this one, but it's also going to involve adding another part to the circle skirt to make it spookier. To begin, if you've already seen the last video, I explained different ways to cut out a circle skirt. I'm choosing to let this be a short skirt, making it a quicker skirt to sew. So I folded the fabric over widthwise, then lengthwise, and cut it out. You should end up with a donut. I bought this Spiderweb tablecloth from Amazon for $6 and wanted to make it an overlay for my skirt. Once I laid it out, I noticed that it's not perfectly symmetrical and that one side of the tablecloth is slightly longer than the other side. I chose to keep the center of the tablecloth in the center of the circle skirt and let the longer side of the tablecloth go to the back, kind of like a high-low skirt. Once I liked the placement, I basted it on the skirt so it wouldn't move when I cut out the center. I cut out my waistband piece, which was the length of my waist plus seam allowances, and twice the width I wanted plus seam allowances. The waistband requires interfacing as well to keep it from rolling down when worn, so I pressed the interfacing on the waistband piece and then pressed the seam allowance over to one side. Before I can sew the waistband to the skirt, I have to cut an opening for the zipper. When doing this, make sure to cut the opening shorter than the zipper, accounting for the width of the waistband piece as well. Because there were two layers of fabric, I basted it where the zipper would go before stitching on both the waistband and the zipper. This is so the fabric doesn't shift when I sew. Now I can pin the right side of the waistband to the inside of the skirt. Remember that there are several ways to stitch on a waistband. This is just one of them. Once that's stitched together, press the waistband seam up, fold over the waistband, and sew on the right side of the waistband as close to the edge as possible. Now I can put in a zipper. When sewing on a zipper, make sure to always leave at least an inch at the bottom free. I wanted to show you guys this. Because the zipper wasn't sewn on a seam, it doesn't lay flat and it'll pucker. The way to fix this is to pin and sew a dart from the edge of the stitching at the bottom of the zipper to about 1 to 2 inches down. Now I'm using a hemming foot to finish the hem. I hope this video inspired you during this spooky season. If you want to see more of these quick makes, feel free to hit like and subscribe to my channel.